Want to know the top 3 cryptocurrencies to watch in February 2024? Well, you've come to the right place. In this unpredictable market, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. And today we'll be shining a spotlight on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the leading meme currency, Shiba Inu. Firstly, Bitcoin, the reigning monarch of cryptocurrency, is currently holding steady at a resistance level of $42,000 after a slip from $48,000. Despite some turbulence in the U.S. stock market due to the Red Sea crisis in mid-January, Bitcoin has weathered the storm quite well. Financial institutions may be poised for another entry position in the cryptocurrency, which could give Bitcoin another leg up. Wise investors might consider pulling out their investments once Bitcoin climbs around the 45,000 level, pocketing their profits. Secondly, Ethereum is one to keep a close eye on. Moving in sync with Bitcoin, Ethereum could offer returns equal to its counterpart. Historically, Ethereum and Bitcoin have both performed well in February, and 2024 could see a repeat of this pattern. With the cryptocurrency market consistently breaking new resistance levels each week, Ethereum's price could spike this month. It's recommended to initiate profit bookings when it begins to climb up the charts. Lastly, let's not overlook the leading meme currency, Shiba Inu. Currently trading with 5 zeros, it stands a good chance of deleting a zero this month. The Shibarium Layer 2 network could burn a series of Shiba tokens, which could significantly boost its price in the indices. However, this upward trajectory might be short-lived, as Shiba could take a downturn after the burns. Selling the token when it reaches 4 zeros could be the smart move. In summary, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu are the top 3 cryptocurrencies to keep an eye on in February 2024. Bitcoin and Ethereum could offer substantial returns, while Shiba Inu, despite its potential for short-term growth, may require a more strategic approach. Stay informed, stay invested, and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.